Is a raccoon around anywhere? Anybody? What was that? Knock, knock. Someone's bonged out. Now, I'm in the middle of Galicia, and this place is stunning. And look at these vineyards here. There is so much work that goes into producing the most fabulous wine. Not just the wine, but the ingredients in Galicia is second to none. I'm gonna do a very simple steak sandwich, but this is like no other. It's called bocadillo, and it's a beautiful steak and onion sandwich, but we're gonna caramelize it with some beautiful white wine, literally from these vineyards, 5 meters away, and then finish it with a blue cheese that was made with Jersey cows, literally 20 miles away from here. They are stunning. First off, let's get the onions caramelizing. Now, the secret behind caramelizing the onions, Tilly, pan down please, pan down. We have Tilly directing today. Pan down please, Tills, like the good old days in lockdown. Pan down, pan down. Close up please, Tills.
That's too close, too close.
This week's been extraordinary because Tilly and I have been going up against one of Spain's finest chefs, Pepe Vieira, and a Galician-born chef with 2 Michelin stars, plus a green star, so 3 stars effectively, but this man is on a mission. Let's start caramelizing those onions. Generous in olive oil. I'm gonna get in with the onions, flatten them out so they really caramelize, and leave them sort of squashed down in that pan. Really important. You'll see why. In with the onions. From there, we give a little sprinkle of sugar and salt. Okay? We got some beautiful Galician amazing butter. This butter is just the very best. Honestly, it's rich in fat, and look at the color of it. It is incredible. And that's why this steak sandwich is so good. Now, with the bread, we've got a really nice local made bread. Tilly, pan down, please. What's wrong with you, girl? Right, slice the bread in half. And I'm not gonna butter it, okay? I'm gonna spread it, would you believe, with mayonnaise. Now, mayonnaise on. Generous lathering of mayonnaise, both sides. So I get a little teaspoon of mustard. Now, mustard on top of the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise and mustard. Lightly season that with a touch of salt and a little touch of pepper. And then hit the grill with that. There, and push that down. Now, check out these onions. Look, beautiful. Now let them stew down nicely. Beautiful. Now, in goes the white wine. Generous in that white wine. And then literally just cover them. Lid on top. And just let them stew for about 15 minutes. Now the steak. Salt, pepper. This is Galician steak. Again, this is a New York strip. Salt, pepper. It's got so much fat in there, it's beautiful. Just a light little drizzle of olive oil. Again, marinate that in. And the marbling of that fat is so beautiful. Now, from there, and grill them. Now, watch this bread. Beautifully toasted, caramelized mayonnaise, caramelized mustard. Got some sound effects there, but until you pan down, woof, do it again. Woo. Now, turn that over.
Need a bit more colour there. It's gonna go grey. There we go. Finding a smoke signal.
No. Now, whilst that's grilling, we get our beautiful local blue cheese and we just slice wonderful crumbly blue cheese. And look, doesn't need any salt. It's already salty, and then over onto the grill. We're just going to start melting that blue cheese onto the steak. Beautiful. And then literally lay that on top and just let that sit there for 2 minutes. Beautiful. Now my bread. Oh, sound effects please, Tills. There you go. Now that bread's nice and crispy. And now watch how we start to dress it. I'm going to do a beautiful sliced Galician tomato. Tilly, pan down please. Pan down. Slice that really thin. And then literally lightly season. And in Galicia, the flies come for nothing. They're free, nice and thin, like that. Beautiful Galician tomatoes. Open that up, and then just lay that beautifully on the base. That's going to give the acidity to this sandwich. And look, stack them up. Now, a light little seasoning, just a little touch of olive oil on that tomato, and then on top of that, a beautiful peppery arugula. Now, for the exciting part, the onions on the other side, and they should have reduced down and beautifully caramelized. And here we go. Beautiful. Now, take them off and literally spread the onions on top of that spicy, peppery arugula. Be generous with these onions. We need the sweetness. Got the acidity from the tomato. Oh, you can see how delicious this is going to be already. And now, finally, do one more turn of that steak very, very carefully. Push that down. And what we're going to do is just roll that over. Oh, so that cheese has melted beautifully. Steak is nice and rare. Take that out. Oh man. On. And now for the exciting part. We sit that on top. Tilly, pan down, please. Please, look at that. Oh man. And then finally, that goes on top.
Big sandwich.
And look. Off, wasp. Gotcha. Push down, hold firmly, and slice. That's the noise you want. And here we go. Oh. That is what I call a beautiful, stunning steak and blue cheese sandwich a la Galicia. Tilly, pan down. Oh. Okay, vamos.
Vamos. Gracias.
How good does that look?
Looks beautiful.
That looks delicious.
Huh?
Catch all new episodes of Gordon Ramsay's Uncharted, now streaming on Disney Plus and Hulu.